In this review, if your budget is under $50 and you are looking for the best remote control helicopter, then you are in the right place. There are some of the features that are a must in a best remote control helicopter, such as smart Eurosystem, developed technology, durable, made of strong polymers, operating range, etc. While buying one must need to keep these in their mind. Each of the operating options has different functions which help the users to use it smoothly. So, if you are buying a remote control helicopter and your budget is under $50, then please have a look here. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Reviewfindly present top 5 best remote control helicopter under $50. Let's get started. Number 1. Cheerwing U12S Mini RC Helicopter. Cheerwing U12S has the option of connecting with the Wi-Fi. Besides, there is a built-in camera that features all the live video and pictures which can be seen on the screen of your phone or laptop. It has an auto-hovering system and can be a lock at any height of the atmosphere in between the range. 2.4 GHz frequency is used for controlling this remote control helicopter. It is durable enough and has an anti-collision body. Only charging by 80 minutes. It can be operated for up to 5 to 6 minutes. Wi-Fi connectivity. Built-in camera. 2.4 GHz frequency is used for controlling. Anti-collision body. Number 2. Cheerwing S107/S107G Phantom. Cheerwing S107 is a remote control helicopter that has various unique features. It has 3 channels that help in operating the remote control helicopter. And it has an upgraded Eurosystem that helps to maintain the stability of the helicopter at different levels of the atmosphere. It is a small-sized helicopter with extreme power. Its colorful lighting has also increased its beauty. Only charging by 50 to 60 minutes. It can be operated for up to 5 to 6 minutes. 3 operating channels. Small in size but powerful. Colorful lighting system. Smart Eurosystem. Number 3. Syma 3 Channel S107 Mini Indoor. The Syma S107 is a helicopter of various functions. It has 2 stable frequencies to control the helicopter. Besides, its body weight is only about 34 grams, and its dimension is about 9x 5.25x 4 inches, LXBXH. It consists of the latest Euro technology that ensures the stability of the helicopter while flying. Furthermore, it has 3 channels for controlling it through frequent remotes. It is suitable for both remote control indoor and outdoor purposes. Only charging by 30 to 35 minutes. It can be operated for up to 6 to 8 minutes. Consists of 2 stable frequencies. Can be used both indoors and outdoor. Consist of latest Euro technology. Can be used in a short charging time. Number 4. Mini Helicopter, Syma S100. If you are searching for a mini helicopter that will be easy to operate, the Mini Helicopter, Syma S100 will be best for you. Its dimension is about 4.13x 1.30x 2.3 inches, LXBXH. This mini helicopter is so small that it can be stood on 2 fingers. Its multi-protective body is one of the unique features of this helicopter. Its body weight is only about 217 grams. You can have fun with this remote control helicopter both inside and outside of the home. Only charging by 30 minutes. It can be operated for up to 5 to 6 minutes. Weight is only 217 grams. Durable body. Jammed inner board. Attractive mini body structure. Number 5. Syma Remote Control Helicopter. Syma Remote Control Helicopter with Euro Nano is a remote control helicopter consisting of the latest Euro technology that ensures the stability of the helicopter while flying high. Besides, this amazing technology is small in size and built of light metal, which is extremely durable. The light in the body of the helicopters ensures that it can also fly in the dark. Only charging by 8 minutes, it can be operated for up to 40 minutes. Small in size. Excellent stability. Durable. Have a lighting system. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.